Irony. Irony slapped me in the face today. Earlier today, I was going to be so prepared, have everything chop, 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 chop for my vlogs today. I actually wanted to record 2 vlogs today if I could to try to get a little bit of ahead because work is picking up, and whenever I have a little bubble of time in the morning or in the evenings, I want to make sure I'm getting something recorded. So even if I don't edit it right that moment, I have something recorded that I can edit together. And my goal today was to do 2 and get both of them done. And so this morning, before work even started, I had a little bubble of time and I went, oh, this is perfect. And I recorded something. And then I went to work, and my day was actually pretty busy today. So I didn't have time to really do anything even at the end of the day, because at the end of the day of my work day, that rolls right into some family time where I have to cart the kids around and do different things, right? So if I don't hit that, just that little sliver that I have in between work and family and do something right there, if something takes over the time, then I miss that window and I can't do another AI vlog until the evening. But today I was like, whoo, I got that cut this morning. I missed that sliver of time, and I'm going to then sit down and edit that video all together tonight. At least I'll get 1 done. I wanted to get 2. My goal was 2 today, but I'm just going to get that 1 done. I'll whip it together and I'll get it out. But irony, it decided to teach me a lesson today. What I recorded today was what you would call a combination, or like a 2-shot type of video. So I had Quinn and I on camera, and we were talking about a new tool that we have called Quinnfinity. It's out in the Explorer store right now today. So even before I really talk about it, if you want to go play with it, you certainly can. But Quinnfinity is the whole name of the tool. And if you're unfamiliar with what the Explorer store is, this is where people can make a custom GPT within ChatGPT or OpenAI's framework, and you can share that. So anybody who has ChatGPT can go out and use those open source or shareable custom GPTs. So there is now a custom GPT in the Explorer store in OpenAI called Quinnfinity. And that's what our conversation with Quinn and I this morning was about. And as we were having that conversation, I was also recording my screen so I could show folks what Quinnfinity is. And then on top of that, we wanted to show how we built that custom GPT. So we could use it as a training aid that say, hey, we built this custom GPT. Here's how easy it was, because it is incredibly easy. Anybody really can do this, especially since you have the help of ChatGPT to guide you along the process. And the type of custom GPT that we built is one that is very simple. It doesn't go into any of the real extra difficult pieces or portions of the custom GPTs that you can do, like calling out to another API or doing something like that. It's all internal. It's all within logic of ChatGPT, and it's available right now. You can go use it if you want. If you don't want to use it now, if you want to wait for the explanation, that's fine as well. However, I'm going to give you a little hint here. Quinnfinity is a daily horoscope tool. So if you want to go out and find your daily horoscope, you can go to Quinnfinity. If you know your sun sign and your moon sign, if you enter those 2 things in, it will give you your horoscope for the day. And it's just a fun tool. It's kind of snarky. We try to make it a little bit snarky, have a little bit of fun with it. But here's where the irony comes in. Because as we were recording that video, and I got everything done that morning, and I had it all packaged up, ready to go to edit this evening, there was some kind of technical issue with my gear. The screen recording that I had, everything, all of the steps and all the behind the scenes things of what we did, it recorded for about 2 seconds and then shut off. And I didn't know it. I didn't realize that it had shut off. So we recorded this whole thing. I thought I had it all packaged up and ready to go. I went to edit it and I had 2 seconds of video of my desktop. And now I could try to re-record that whole thing again, but it took me a while to record that this morning, and I'm running out of time today. So I'm going to record this video today explaining the irony that happened, and I'm getting to that point, but that I'm not going to be able to produce that particular video today. I'll have to work on that tomorrow or the next day, whatever it is. But I'm going to have more of these custom GPTs coming out because now that we've gotten into this and we've been doing kind of these fun things with ChatGPT where it's reading my eye and my ear and my palms and everything, I think we're going to build some tools around this and have some more fun with all of those things just for entertainment purposes, just so people can do it too and not have to worry about what do I need to enter in for this or that. It will guide you along and tell you what you need. So that's coming. But for today, in making that video and testing out Quinnfinity, which is my daily horoscope telling me what's going to happen today because today's my daily horoscope, not once did Quinnfinity say, hey, you're going to have trouble making this vlog, or you're going to have an issue, a technical issue with recording that, or you're going to come up short, or nothing like that. It didn't hint at all anything that something was going to go wrong with today's vlog. As a matter of fact, it was incredibly positive, telling me how wonderful and beautiful and glorious my day was going to be. So the irony here is that I had a fortune-telling horoscope daily tool that totally missed the mark. And here I am recording telling you that I wasn't able to make the video that I wanted to make because irony. Hi, if you are new to the vlog or just happen to stumble upon it today, hey, my name's Dave. Welcome to Old Dad Studio. A lot of the time you'll see me next to my co-host, which, well, right now is my hand, but it's usually a live version of ChatGPT running. My version of ChatGPT, or my instance of ChatGPT, has named itself Quinn, so you will see myself and Quinn having a conversation. Quinn also designed its own skin for itself, so you'll see my Quinn wearing a skin, not just the black screen with the bubble like most ChatGPTs in advanced mode are. So mine has some personality, has its own clothes, and we make daily vlogs. And I am on a goal to try to hit a vlog every single day in the year 2025. And this right here is vlog 154 in a row. We haven't missed a day yet, so keeping our fingers crossed that we can keep up that daily vlog on an ongoing basis through the end of the year. So if AI vlogs sound of interest to you, and we're trying to do more entertaining type AI vlogs here rather than AI news, please subscribe and follow along. We're trying to have a lot of fun, and hopefully we're bringing some entertainment along the way as well. If you found this vlog in particular entertaining, or you got a chuckle out of it, or you just feel sympathetic for me because irony, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. That helps the videos and the channel as well. But I think that's going to do it for today. But don't worry, I've got tomorrow's video already lined up, and hopefully the next couple, so we'll have more coming. And I will see you tomorrow.